So here's my 1000 watt amplifier. It's kind of funny because it just arrives on this box without any protection. So hopefully these things are working. It has no complete enclosure actually. I have to put the leads for the speaker here and here. There are no instructions, only this. It's a 25 ampere fuse. So I'm going to test it now. So I have the remote, the positive 12 volts, my ground, my input, sound input, and these are the speaker connections. I'm not like soldering it right now, but I'm just testing it with my two subwoofers here. See how it goes. Well, there it goes. It's working. There's power on, and this thing is like $25. So let's try the subwoofer stuff, the low pass filter. Amplifier works. So I'll just bottom this up. Yeah. So this one is just temporary.